In this video tutorial, we are going to show you how to view your 2-minute teacher tips videos. You'll need a QR scanner for your smartphone or tablet. Open the application and scan the QR code in the inside front cover of your teacher's book. You'll be redirected to the landing page for your course. Choose which level you would like to view videos for and click the video that you would like to watch.
When we read in our everyday lives in our own language, we do so for two reasons, usually. We're interested in the topic or we want to find something out. So we've tried to use the same approach.
You can also view the videos on YouTube. Go to the Oxford University Press ELT YouTube channel and select the 2-minute teacher tips playlist. Here you'll find all the videos available for all courses. Scroll down until you find the video that you would like to watch.